Hey lovelies, welcome back to a new YouTube video, and I'm here with a tutorial for y'all today. So yes, a tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've given you any hair tutorial, but here I am. So you may be wondering, what am I gonna do today? These are what I'm gonna install. These are some 14-inch goddess locks from HotBraids. Lately I realized I'm leaning a lot closer to locks, and I can't wait to try them out because I want something that's gonna last, but at the same time I want something that's gonna be very temporary. So I'm excited to try these out and see what it's like. So Jada has her Evening of Excellence coming up, so it's a perfect occasion for me to try these out. And I just want something that will last me a while, but something that's not gonna be permanent. And I think this will do the trick because I can easily take them out whenever I feel like I've had enough, and I can always reinstall them because they're 100% human hair and they're tangle free. So what better way? What I love most about this is that I am going to be able to get the full, lock look with this gorgeous texture without having to go through all that time of getting actual locks. Like, this is like premium locks without having to lock my own hair permanently. All right, so before I install this, we are gonna look at the quality of the hair. So these pieces, these curly pieces right here, they are human hair as well, along with the locks. They're fully human hair. The matte look is what sealed the deal for me, and I love how feather light they are. It won't weigh your hair down or cause any scalp issue or root tension. And they definitely won't itch like the synthetic fall off. These are the loose ends, and then this is the lock section. And with the lock section, you have 3 pieces of curly hair. One at the top, one in the middle, and one at the end. So as you can see, I tug on it and it's not gonna fall apart. But it's very soft, and it's not stiff at all. It doesn't give that synthetic look. Once you look on it, you can definitely see that it's giving human hair. And if you put this beside a real lock, trust me, you'll have a hard time telling the difference. Let's take one from the bundle. This is the end of it. This is how it looks at the top. This is the bottom. And as you can see, I can flex this without any stiffness. And it has a lot of bones. So this is generally what the hair will look like when you complete it and have it like in a ponytail. When I say I'm excited, I am excited because I love how it's not too neat as well. This is the hair pattern, the plait pattern that I'm using. I have some elastic bands at the ends of some of the hair because I don't want them to get loose, because my hair is a bit straightened at this time, so it will loosen easily. And I'm gonna section the first row so we can start right away. All right, this is the first step. I'm gonna push a needle through the hair. It has its latch already open. I'm gonna secure the plait, close the latch, and then pull it through. It can be a little stiff, but just take your time, pull it through, remove from the hair inside, and then you're gonna gently pull down on the hair just to ensure that it covers your plait. And from the loose end, this is what you're gonna do. Push the crochet needle through the base of the plait. Take the end, the loose end of the lock, hook it with a crochet needle, pull it through the base of your hair, and then you're just gonna gently wrap it around the lock and your hair that's now inside of the lock until you're through. See? And just like that, you have completed the first lock. So there you go. I'm gonna do a few more and then show y'all how it's looking. The lock blended so seamlessly with my natural roots, and it completely eliminated that synthetic look, that stiff look that the other ones normally give. And since this is a protective style as well, the temporary braid and wrap method will help you to maintain your natural hair pattern, so the hair will be protected underneath. I'm gonna give you all another close-up look of me installing these locks. I'm just fluffing the end, the loose end of the lock, and I'm gonna push a crochet needle through the lock itself, so when I loop my natural hair in, it can just slide down on it. I'm gonna loop it now, and then I normally stop once I've had enough of my natural hair into the lock itself. Sometimes it may need adjusting, whether pulling the lock down a bit so you have enough room at the top to get that seamless look. Alright, so once I have enough of my natural hair in the lock, I'm gonna go through with a crochet needle, and I'm gonna use the open end to hook the loose part of the lock and then pull it through my natural plait. So once I've pulled it through the plait itself, I am then gonna wrap, and if you want, you can apply your edge control or your locking gel, whichever one that you want to apply at the root, so to give it a nice neat look. So now that I've secured the loose end and applied my edge control, I want them neat but not too neat, because I kind of like when my locks look a little bit aged. So I am now gonna wrap the loose end of the lock down my hair plait and also down the lock, and then do a little palm roll thingy to ensure that everything is tucked in.
Pretty with a plan. Soft light, sharp shine, watch me step. Missing decisive, missing decisive. From the plane to the brunch, I make it look easy. Missing decisive, missing decisive.
I'm done with the hair, so I've applied some mousse and I'm just going in defining the curls. Then afterwards I'm going to use an oil sheen to lightly spray the hair, because to give it a little sheen but not too much. I love how lightweight this really feels. Like, it literally feels like nothing is on my head, and I love the texture. If you love this look and you want to give it a try, I'm gonna have the hair linked in my description box below, and don't forget to use my exclusive discount code. When you go to HotBraids website, don't forget to click the influencer's exact match pack button. And just like that, the hair is off. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.